Time now for our Bloomberg Quick Take. We provide context and background on issues of interest as the battle continues over healthcare reform. Today, we're looking at drug prices. Americans spend more on prescription drugs than anyone else in the entire world. And while it's true they buy a lot of pills, what really sets the US apart from other countries is high prices. Here's the situation. About $1,100 per person is spent per year on prescription drugs in the US. Cancer drugs routinely cost $10,000 a month. Recently, drug companies have become the subject of public outrage and scrutiny. In 2015, Martin Shkreli became a symbol of greed when his company bought the rights to an old drug and raised its price more than 50-fold. Prescription drug spending began to surge in 2014 and rose 8.5% in 2015. Specialty drugs accounted for the majority of spending growth. Here's the background. Unlike other nations, the US doesn't regulate prices for medicines. In Europe, governments negotiate directly with drug makers, but US private payers typically rely on third parties, such as Express Scripts, to negotiate discounts. Often, these third parties make exclusive deals with big pharma, and this limits the patient's choice of drugs. In a 2013 survey, 1 in 5 US adults said they failed to complete a prescribed course of medicine because of its cost. Here are the arguments. Pharmaceutical companies say they need robust profits to bankroll future medical advances. Critics say that pharma is exaggerating the costs of research and development. Doctors and insurance executives worry that many vital medicines are becoming unaffordable. US President Donald Trump originally said he'd force the industry to bid for Medicare's business. But after meeting with pharmaceutical executives, he appeared to back off that idea and focused instead on reducing regulation on drug makers as a way to cut costs. It's an idea that drug makers have embraced. You can read more about prescription drug prices and all of our quick takes at NI Quick on the Bloomberg.